Hi, this is Carla from Carla's glutenfreerecipebox.com. Today I have a recipe available to everyone. It is chocolate dulce de leche made in a microwave. It is so easy to make. It has 4 simple ingredients, only one of which you put in the microwave. And this is available to everyone at glutenfreerecipebox.com. Oh, yummy. It's in case you don't know what it is, dulce de leche is a caramel. It's a Mexican caramel recipe, and it tastes wonderful. This one's particularly very rich, and you can use it in so many different desserts as a topping for ice cream, as a filling. You'll love it. Take care. Go to glutenfreerecipebox.com and get this today.